Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Zordan Cordless LED rechargeable work light. I was gifted this item to test it out and see what I thought about it, so let's take a look. At first glance, when I took it out of the box, I noticed how sturdy it is. The outside of the LED light is made of metal, which offers a solid heavy-duty structure for this portable LED light. I also really like how it is cordless, because when I need light while I'm outside, such as camping, having a bonfire at night, or even for emergency purposes, I don't really want to be hassled with tripping over extension cords. This LED is powered by a Milwaukee battery, and I happen to have one, so that worked out really nicely. But if you don't have any on hand, be sure to grab some to keep handy as well, so you are always prepared whenever you need light. Another unique feature of this is the dual charging ports. Not only can I use it as an LED floodlight in the dark, but I can also charge two devices simultaneously on it. So like my phone, tablet, MP3 player, digital camera, or even other small devices. To use it, there are two switches in the back. First, I need to press one of the switches to the on position, and then I click the other switch to either the high or intensity that is low. The high intensity is 4,800 lumens, while the low intensity is 2,400 lumens. When you're not using it, make sure to put the first switch back to off so it doesn't drain the power from your battery. I like the handle for ease of carrying or even to hang it somewhere. And also the head is bendable so I can adjust the position depending on my needs. So far, I really like this for peace of mind of always having easily accessible light and power source that I can take around without tripping over cables or cords. If you are in the market for a heavy-duty LED outdoor portable light, and if you have some Milwaukee batteries, then this could be something to look into.